Hi Libra, so this is your quick energy check. Gamit natin si the Guardians of the Night Tarot. So this is for your Sun, Moon, and Rising na Libra. At kung meron kang, this is for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. And kumago, subscribe, like, and share. Libra, how are you? Let's check anong energy mo ngayon. So we have here the Three of Swords. My dear, although tinatawag kang the balancer of the zodiac sign, pero ito kasi pinapaalala sa'yo, this is a moment that you need to allow your mind to help you. Hayaan mo yung logical thinking mo ang medyo mauna. Kasi may mga tao na andoon na, ang dami lang mga promises, and may mga parang nakikita ka ng red flags, pero hindi ganon ka-prominent, or sobrang kitang-kita yung red flag. Parang medyo tagu pa, pero mayroon ka ng instinct na parang may mali. My dear, binigyan ka na ng warning ng universe. Gamitin mo yon para mag-dig deep, para to review. Kasi malamang sa malamang, pag may naramdaman kang mali, may posibilidad na may mali nga. Galing yon yung sign na yun sa universe. Gamitin mo yon to protect yourself, to investigate, and to double check ano ba yung mali. And from there, malalaman mo, if you dig deep, investigate, at hindi lang ikaw yung pwedeng maprotektahan ng malalaman mo, but also yung mga tao na sa paligid mo. So I hope nakatulong yung reading. That is for your guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. And again, subscribe, like, and share kung bago ka. At magkita tayo sa next video. Bye!